Bin Stacy kasali sa tag Media Chicago voting polls for birthday greetings. The tag Media Chicago conduct a voting polls whose birthday want to see shine and be displayed on the largest lead billboards in the heart of the Times Square, New York, the epicenter of global entertainment. They also displayed Binnie Gwen's birthday greetings this month, June 19, 2024, that she appreciated very much and thanks Tag Media Chicago. The following artists nakasali sa voting pool sa Tag Media Chicago na magbe-birthday ngayong July. Binnie Stacy, Horizon Kyler, SB19 Justin, and Seth Fidelin. The mechanics, you need to follow Tag Media Chicago, then vote. Noted, please note that non-follower votes will not be counted. Kindly refer to the complete guidelines of voting process. Thank you. Today standing nangunguna si Binnie Stacy with 65.2%. Second, SB19 Justin 26.5%. Number 3 is Horizon Kyler with 5.2%. And number 4 is Seth Fidelin 3%. We have 4 days to go Blooms, di magpakampante, every seconds magbabago ang standing. Cast your vote by first following Tag Media Chicago, then vote in order to be valid. Binnie Stacy's birthday will be on July 13, and hoping she will win.